Welcome, friends! Welcome back to Umar and Ayla Stories. Do you know what tomorrow is? It's Mom's birthday, and we're gonna surprise her. Dad, it says we need one more cup of flour. Should I get the flour?
Good idea, Ayla, but be very quiet.
Careful, Umar. We don't want to wake Mom.
Sorry, Dad.
Dad, look. I made this for Mom.
She'll love it.
It's gonna be amazing. Shh. Remember, Mom is still sleeping. Careful, let's keep everything quiet.
Dad, should we put the balloons here?
Yes, that will look perfect.
Shh. She didn't wake up.
Good. Dad, I think everything is almost ready. Yes. It looks wonderful.
And the cake looks amazing.
Do you think Mom will like it? I think she'll love it. She's coming. Shh.
I can't believe you all did this just for me.
We wanted to make your birthday special, Mom.
Well, I think there's one thing left to do.
The cake.
All right, everyone, let's cut the cake.
Yay!
Let's do it.
Dad, what are those for?
I have one more surprise for Mom.
Another surprise!
That's right. We're all going out for lunch today. I wonder where we're going for lunch.
Dad said it would be a surprise.
I'm starting to feel like the whole day is full of surprises.
So, how was your day?
It was the best birthday of my life. Thank you so much, everyone.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
You all made it unforgettable.